Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine, healthy and safe. In this vlog you will get to see some glimpse of our visit to Yanbu Royal Commission Beach. And I have also included 2 special and easy recipes that you can try anytime at home with the available ingredients. This beach is located at Royal Commission in Yanbu. Yanbu is an industrial city. Here the beach is very big and beautiful. We are here to see an amazing view of the sunset. The weather in Yanbu is really hot these days. Spending time at beach is always relaxing. I'm able to cover only one side of beach in this vlog as this beach is too big and will not be able to cover all in a day. We'll definitely try to cover the other side of the beach in some other vlog. As said earlier, I'm gonna show you all how to make a special recipe. It is Haryali chicken curry, which means green chicken curry. And this recipe is the famous chicken dish of Punjabi cuisine. Along with it, I'm gonna show you all how to make a delicious and a simple ghee rice. For that, let's check out the ingredients. We need 800 grams of chicken, 2 onions roughly chopped, 3 green chilies, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1.5 cups of mint leaves and coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 pieces of cardamom, 3 pieces of cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, salt according to your taste. Here I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut with 10 pieces of almonds and cashew nuts, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started. Take a pressure cooker on a medium flame. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Now I'm adding all the spices, that is the fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. Wait until you get a nice aroma of all the spices. Make sure the flame is very low, otherwise it might get burnt. Once you get a nice aroma of all the spices, add the roughly chopped onions to it and saute it well until it changes its color. Meanwhile, I'm grinding the coconut, almonds and cashew nuts into a fine paste. This paste I have added around half cup of water to it. And then I'm adding half onion to it. Three green chilies. Blend it well. And once it's blended well, add some coriander and mint leaves and blend it. This is how the consistency of this mixture should look. It should be thick. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the raw smell is gone, add about 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt. Here I am using rock salt, and mix all the ingredients well. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes to it and give it a quick mix. Now add the chicken pieces to it. Here I have washed the chicken pieces using turmeric powder to get rid of the smell. Now mix the chicken pieces well along with other ingredients. Now add 2 heaped tablespoons of yogurt to it and mix it well. And leave it for about 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now I am adding the blended mixture to it and give it a quick mix. Here in this mixture you can even use more coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilies as per your taste. Now I am adding half glass of water. Do not add more water to it. Consistency of this curry should be thick and creamy. I am just adding a cube of butter. You can even use thick cream if you have. Now close the pressure cooker, lock the pressure and leave it until you get 2 whistles. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare ghee rice. For that, let's check out the ingredients. We need 1 onion roughly chopped, some coriander and mint leaves, half tomato cut into big pieces, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 pieces of cloves and cardamom, salt according to your taste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee or butter if you have, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1.5 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked in water for about 30 minutes. Let's get started. Take a pressure cooker on a medium flame. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Add a cube of butter to it. Once the butter starts melting, add the spices to it, that is the cinnamon sticks, cloves and cardamom. Then I have added 1 onion and just saute it well until it changes its color. Then I have added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. I couldn't record the whole thing because my phone got off. Once the raw smell is gone, add 2 green chilies to it. Then adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And mix it well. Now I am adding 3 cups of water to it, as I have taken 1.5 cups of basmati rice. To every 1 cup of basmati rice I have taken 1.5 cups of water. Adding some salt to it. Here I am using rock salt. Now add the tomato pieces to it. Adding some coriander and mint leaves. Give it a quick mix and wait until the water boils. Once the water starts boiling, add the basmati rice into the water. Make sure to drain the water completely from the rice while adding. Now cover and lock the pressure and wait until you get 2 whistles on a low flame. Now the ghee rice is completely done. Just mix it slowly, make sure the rice doesn't break. Now meanwhile our Haryali chicken curry is also completely done. You can see how rich, thick and creamy it is. Now our delicious Haryali chicken curry and ghee rice are ready to be served. Hope you all like this recipe. Try this delicious recipe at your home and do let me know your valuable feedbacks. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog. See you all in another vlog. Till then, stay safe and take care.